Today we are going to compare texts. All right, this is an informational text. It can be an article that gives facts and details about a topic, but informational texts often include visuals like photographs and diagrams. Okay, and you can see that this is on page 758, and on page 759 you can see a diagram right there of a robot. Okay. Our text focus is diagrams, which show the parts of something or how something works. They usually include labels that name each of the parts. Okay, so let's look at the diagram on page 759. What does that show? Right, the parts, the working parts on the inside of a robot. Okay, this selection, toys, tells about amazing wind-up toys of the past. Okay, so you have amazing stories behind some great inventions. So you are going to pause the video now and read. Make sure you read all the diagrams, the labels, and captions as well. Starts on page 758 and it ends on page 762. So you can pause the video and read those pages and come back when you're done. All right, let's think through the text. I would encourage you again to pause the video and discuss your answers with your learning adult about what you just read. What are the main differences between automatons and today's wind-up toys? How does the diagram on page 759 help you understand the text? Why might the ship's captain have thrown the automaton Franchina overboard? What is the main idea in each paragraph on page 761, and what details support each main idea? What happened to mechanical toys after Henry Lewis died in 1790? And what was the effect of toys being cheaper? Do you think automatons will return? Why or why not? Now let's look at page 763. I'd like you to choose one of these connections to complete, either text to self, text to text, or text to world. In text to self, you are comparing the fun they had and toys, and you're going to discuss what would Margie think about the automatons that were made hundreds of years ago. In text to text, you are going to think about a technology product you use and what if that product had never been invented. You're going to write a paragraph telling what your life would be like if it didn't exist. In text to world, you're going to compare and contrast the fun they had to other stories, such as The World According to Humphrey, which is lesson 21. You're going to think about the events, character, setting, theme, point of view, and illustrations, and how they are alike and different. And you're going to create a chart to show the similarities and differences between the stories. So again, you only need to choose one of these. Have fun.